I think she shut the blinds so that he wouldn't see us walking up. I'm really nervous.
Hi, I'm Rie. Cooking and giving food can be a personal and wonderful gift. This holiday season, we wanted to help two of our friends say thank you to some very important people in their lives. Here are their stories. This is my friend Krista. She's a goofball producer, so I don't need to be here to teach you anything.
Today, Rie is going to be teaching me how to make my dad's favorite, oatmeal raisin cookies, which I've actually never made before, but I feel like I'm in good hands. The reality for me is that I wouldn't be here today if it weren't for a police chief who adopted me when I was 11.
It's such an honor you have me help you to make cookie for your dad. I heard your story earlier. I got a little bit emotional.
I'm excited to present them to him.
I'm Rachel. Today I am teaming up with Rie to make my Aunt Betsy's favorite cookies, which are chocolate chip cookies without the chocolate chips. When my mom was becoming very sick, me and my dad were very lost. Betsy had gotten wind of this and decided to drop everything and come over to the East Coast. I felt safer.
So have you made this cookie before?
I barely made cookies, but I've definitely never made this one.
Whenever you have a question, stop me and ask me a question. Mostly, you're gonna make it.
Okay.
Put the butter in a pot.
Whole thing?
Whole thing.
Okay.
Get in there. So you are going to shift together flour and everything else into the shifter.
Flour.
Yeah. Baking soda, cinnamon.
I was born into a family that unfortunately was riddled with addiction. For a single guy in his 50s to take on an 11-year-old kid is astounding. All right, what's next?
And salt and grated nutmeg.
Perfect, so salt.
It's like a quarter teaspoon.
Okay.
You start seeing the brown bits, right?
Yeah.
That's the flavor. Can you pour?
Okay. Oh God.
No, you're good. Add water until 1 cup mark. Nice. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator because it's really, really hot. So I'm gonna cool it down to the next step.
Betsy had come into the house and provided dinner for me on nights when I didn't want to eat. She would bring me to the local mall and help me get clothes for school. That were things that usually me and my mom would do, but my mom was too sick to do at this point. Today, I'm really excited because I'm gonna be able to finally give Betsy a special gift.
Put flour, baking soda,
Okay.
make it rain. Next step is creaming butter. So just put it in a bowl.
Okay.
And sugar, both sugar, castor sugar, and brown sugar. Use a hand. Cream until it's kind of like a facial cream texture.
It's really important to me to be able to show my dad how much I appreciate him. Every year at Christmas, he writes me a handwritten letter telling me how proud he is of me and how far I've come in my life. I feel like this might be a good way to kind of give that back to him.
This is brown sugar. This one's cane sugar. So brown sugar makes cookie a little bit chewy. Another secret ingredient is espresso powder. It's kind of like breaks sweetness.
Okay.
And salt.
And what's?
It's a vanilla extract. It's for flavor too.
I thought it was like molasses.
Oh.
Is that what molasses looks like?
Molasses is a little thicker.
Because it's molasses.
Next step is add oatmeal and mix with spatula. We want to make a little bit, elevated.
Yeah.
A little bit special. Have some toasted walnuts. I have dried cherries and cranberries.
That sounds really good, and I feel like with the different berries, it'll give it sort of a holiday vibe as well.
Yeah, it's a little bit red color, so it's kind of give a nice holiday spirit, I think. So we chilled brown butter.
I smell it.
Smell it.
Oh my God.
Pour this over.
Okay.
And scrape all the goodies on the bottom. In here, turn on. Don't be scared. You can go a little faster if you want.
Higher?
Yeah, higher. I got you. Nice. And I'm going to add dry ingredients you shifted earlier. So just scoop and drop. We are going to flatten this a little bit on your hand, 1 inch apart.
Oh,
something
1 inch?
that.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are going to pop this in the refrigerator for
Okay.
1 hour to chill and bake for 12 to 14 minutes. So ta-da!
Woo!
Yeah, it smells so good.
Really
And I
does.
like the nice golden crunchy edge. I really hope your dad will like it.
I think he's gonna really love this. I like these a lot, and I know him pretty well, so I think he's gonna really enjoy these.
This is great.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, great, you did it.
It's like the perfect consistency. I think she's gonna love them.
Yeah, the best part of baking and cooking for somebody else. While you're doing it, you're thinking about that person.
Yeah.
You're taking time, going shopping and making and baking. Whole time it's dedicated to that person.
Yeah.
And I think that time is precious.
I'm here about 2.5 hours outside of LA just to surprise my dad with these cookies. I even found this little box with dinosaurs on it, which I thought was super cute because his name is Rex.
I invited my Aunt Betsy to the studio today. She doesn't really know what's happening, so I'm really excited and also a little bit nervous to give her this gift.
So we'll see how it goes.
Betsy, I brought you here today to talk about my mom and all the things that occurred almost 15 years ago now. But what I did not tell you is the video is actually about you. And I wanted to say thank you, and I never got a chance to, and I am so sorry for that. But I wanted to reach out to you, and especially around the holidays, I gotta go get this, bring you
Oh my God. No, don't do that.
your favorite cookies, the chocolate chip cookies without chocolate chips. And just to tell you that I'm thinking of you, you did so much for me, and I so appreciate that because you really changed the course of my life.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, sweetie, what are you doing here?
I brought you a box of your favorite cookies.
Thank you, come here.
Don't mind them. These are your favorite cookies. And basically, I just wanted to bring them to you. I made them especially for you because I know that they're your favorite, and I wanted to do it as a way to say thank you for just, I'm gonna cry, for just being so important to me.
Just being me?
Yeah, for just being you, and for being so amazing to me, and supporting me and loving me, and for being my dad.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. I don't feel like I really did.
You did.
But I wanted to.
I love you very much. I love you. You adopted me, and because of that, my life is so much better. And my life is so much better. And I appreciate it every day.
I do too.
Oh, God.
They are very good.
Your mom would be really proud. You're a very, very unique young woman.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We had a rough spot for a little, but I'm okay now.
No, you're good.
And you know how much I love you.
I know.
Every time I talk to you, every time I see you, it's always the same. Love's always there. Me and you.
Yep.
Well, thank you very much.